Bonjour mes étudiants 8th standard, welcome you all for this new session. Lesson 7, Allons à Paris. So last class we were seeing this. So this class we are going to just continue. So before continuing, I just gave you some homework, right? So exercise number 1 and 2 you have finished, and exercise number 3 and 4 I gave you as homework, and also 5. So I'll give you the solutions now, you can take down. After you complete that, we will do 6 and 7. Okay, so here's the solution. First one is put the sentence in the right order. Monsieur Moscow Legrand A. So the answer is Monsieur Legrand A à Moscow. So what I want you to do is copy this in your book. If those who have done it in a separate note, well and good. If you have not done your homework, please take it down now, because anyway you have to write this in your classwork, and before this affili we have to complete the classwork. So second one, the answer is vous habitez au Canada ou en France. Vous habitez au Canada ou en France. Third one, vous n'allez pas en Angleterre. Vous n'allez pas en Angleterre. That is third one. Mes parents habitent en Suisse. That's the answer for the fourth one. Mes parents habitent en Suisse. And the fifth one is ils vont en Colombie, mais nous allons au Mexique. Ils vont en Colombie, mais nous allons au Mexique. So we are done with the third exercise. Let's move on to the fourth exercise. Those who are still writing, pause the video and write. Others, move on to the fourth exercise. So fourth exercise is find the hard one out. So here's the question. Japan, Pakistan and Thailand, France. So if you see this, among these countries, only this country India starts with a vowel. Okay, so other countries they start with a consonant. I think that is the only difference, because masculine and feminine, if we compare in that way, even France is a feminine country. So the first answer is and. Second is Denmark, Iran, Autriche, Swiss, France. So out of this, Denmark. That is the second answer. Other countries, Denmark is the answer. Third one, Copenhagen, Londres, Paris, Tokyo, Spain. So in this third one, Spain is the answer. So if you want, you can circle it or you can write it like this. And the fourth one, Français, Indien, Italien, Egyptien, Anglaise. So out of this, Français is the answer. I think this is the only masculine, other things are feminine. And fifth one, Asie, Afrique, Amerique, Europe, Bahrain. So Bahrain is the answer. The fifth one. So far 3 and 4 solutions are over. Let's move on to exercise number 5. That is nationalité. So you can just take it down as it is here. Land, indien, indienne, indien, indienne. Angleterre. So this one is wrong. Don't take this. Instead of Angleterre, I think something else should come here. So Almo is Germany, right? So Almo, Allemande. Just second one, you keep it as hold, okay? Let's move on to the third one. Le Japon, japonais, japonaise. Le Japon, japonais, japonaise. Les États-Unis, américain, américaine. Les États-Unis, américain, américaine. And the fifth one, l'Espagne, l'espagnol, l'espagnol. L'espagnol, l'espagnol. Le Canada, these things are very simple. Canadien, canadienne. Canadien, canadienne. Le Mexique, mexicain, mexicaine. Le Mexique, mexicain, mexicaine. Le Pakistan, pakistanais, pakistanaise. La France, français, française. And Portugal, portugais, portugaise. So the second one alone is wrong. It's not from. So in case if it is Angleterre, it is anglais, anglaise. So this alone will be Almo. Okay, the country name is also Almo, I suppose, because Germany it is Almo in French. Okay, so let's do that. So just note the second one is wrong. This title alone is wrong. Okay, instead of Angleterre it should be Almo. Almo, Almo, Almond. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to the lesson part. So here we are. So hope you remember what we saw last class. Last class we saw some prepositions for countries and villages. Okay, so I'll just repeat as short as I can. Accent grave, that is for villages or small places or cities. En for countries with feminine. Eau for countries with masculine, and aux for the plural countries. And the same, the meaning of this is to or in, and this is from or of. Okay, so the feminine country, D apostrophe vowel, either it is masculine or feminine, it is vowel. G for masculine. So far this is what we have done, and 3, 4 and 5 I showed you the solutions. Now let's move on to exercise number 6 and 7. Today let's finish exercise number 6 and 7. I'll also show you the solutions for this exercise number 6 and exercise number 7, and then exercise number 8. This is your homework. Okay, you take this, you mark this as a homework. Okay, so exercise number 9 you can leave, and exercise number 10 you can leave. And so with today's class we are completing this lesson. Okay, so lesson number 7 is over will be over by today. Okay, now let's concentrate. Complétez les textes en utilisant les mots donnés. Faites les changements nécessaires. Okay, so please be aware of this exercise. Only this exercise you will be getting the online test. Okay, so kindly be alert. Okay, let's face this. I'll just read it once. Marie dash à Nice, elle dash le train et dash Paris. Elle dash les bagages dans le train et dash le voyage est très dash. Elle est Elle dash avec dash voyageur et elle dash dans le dash village. So what are the things which are available? Prendre, monter. So this we will segregate in this way, that is, we will just see the verbs first. Prendre, monter is a verb, aller is a verb, accessoire is a verb, passer, parler, these things are verb. So other things, few things are adjective. Agréable, beau is an adjective, and preposition is they, the. I think, hope we have covered everything. So first sentence, Marie dash Anise. So the first sentence, Marie va Anise. No need to write now anything, just see. At the end of this exercise, I will show you the answers. Marie va Anise. Elle dash le train. Elle prend le train. Elle prend le train dash Paris. De Paris. Okay, elle prend le train de Paris. Okay, elle dash les bagages dans le train et okay, here we have to think a bit. She dash the baggages in the train and dash. Okay, so what she will do with the baggages in the train, that is what we have to think. So what is the available words here? Monte is there. So monte is to get the train, to climb up the train, monte. And s'asseoir is sitting, passer is to pass, parler is to speak. Okay, now let's think. So first thing is, she has to get up, she has to get into the train with the baggages, right? So it should be elle monte. Okay, elle monte les bagages dans le train et dash et assis. So she has to take the baggages into the train and she should sit. Le voyage est très. Okay, so subject is here, verb is here. So something which is extra, that is, some adjective should come. So how many adjectives? Beau is an adjective, agréable. So très agréable. Okay. Elle dash avec des voyageurs. So elle parle. Okay. So elle parle avec des, D-E-S. So because voyageur there is a S. Elle parle avec des voyageurs et elle dash dans le dash village. Et elle passe dans, because how do I say passes? Subject is here, we need only a verb, so passer is a verb. Elle passe dans le beau village. So if this village has a S, so this beau will become B-E-A-U-X. Okay, I'll read it once and let's confirm the answers and then I'll show you the solutions. Marie va à Nice, elle prend le train de Paris, elle monte les bagages dans le train et assis. Le voyage est très agréable, elle parle avec des voyageurs et elle passe dans le beau village. Okay, so this is the answer. There is something which we have to note. First we have to segregate the verbs separately, so that where will verb fall? Verb will fall next to the subject. So after every subject write a V. That means we have to choose only the verb. Secondly, we can choose adjective to the place where there is atr verb. See, here is one atr verb. Okay, like that we can choose some adjectives, and whatever is left out is preposition that should be placed before the object. So now I'll take you to the page of solution. So here's the solution for this exercise. Kindly take it down. So, Marie va à Nice, elle prend le train de Paris, elle monte des bagages dans le train et le voyage est très agréable. Elle parle avec des voyageurs et elle passe dans de beaux villages. Okay, so that's it for exercise number 6. Okay, now let's move on to exercise number 7. Those who are writing, pause your video and keep writing, okay? Okay, now exercise number 7, that is compléter en utilisant les prépositions de lieu. Okay, so this is prepositions of places. Okay, so in this we have to be very keen in selecting the preposition, because half of the preposition says it is to the place and it is from the place. Okay, so left side is to or in and the right side is from. Quand revient-il dash Mexique? Okay, so Mexique is a masculine or feminine country, that we must know first, so that we can choose from the masculine or feminine section. Nous revenons. So revient, revenons. So when you see this, underline these two verbs, revient, revenons. So when you see a venir verb coming in this sentence, it should always be des. So since Mexique is a masculine country, il revient du Mexique. Quand revient-il du Mexique? Nous revenons du Japon. Okay, let's confirm either Mexique is masculine or feminine first, and then we will see. Here it is Mexique is masculine. So far what we are doing is correct. So this one is quand revient-il du Mexique? Nous revenons du Japon la semaine prochaine. Okay, so first one is done. Quentin a un nouveau projet Portugal, il revient dash Suisse. Okay, see the left side venir verb is not present, but the right side venir verb is present. That means left side you have to take from this half and right side you have to take from this half. Okay, so let's do a simple one. Ruiz is masculine or feminine? Let's see that first. See, Ruiz is feminine, and second one, Portugal is masculine, that we know, right? So contient un nouveau projet au Mexique. Sorry, au Portugal. Au Portugal, il revient de Ruiz. Il revient de Ruiz. Okay, so we are done with second one. Let's move on to the third one. L'instituteur est dash Bordeaux dash France. This one is very simple. L'instituteur est à Bordeaux. Okay, you might have a question. Yeah, in the third question you might have a question. It is à Bordeaux or de Bordeaux. For this one, we can answer very clearly. L'instituteur est de Bordeaux de France, because he is from Bordeaux, from France, that is, which is in France. Bordeaux is in France and he is from that particular place. So l'instituteur est de Bordeaux de France. In case if I put à Bordeaux, it will become he is there in Bordeaux. So I want to say he is from Bordeaux in France. Okay, so in that case, l'instituteur est de Bordeaux de France. Mes parents pensent voyager. Okay, now Indonésie quand ils rentrent d'Australie. So this one is D apostrophe, that is no doubt, because rentre and revient, that is a similar verb. Here we have to be alert. Okay, so Indonésie. So from this left side we have to choose. So mes parents pensent voyager à Indonésie quand ils rentrent d'Australie. Okay, last one is on peut voir la chute de Niagara. This one is États-Unis. So aux États-Unis et au Canada. Canada is masculine, so aux États-Unis, au Canada. So we are done with 2 exercises, that is exercise number 6 and 7. Now I will show you the solutions for exercise number 7. Kindly take it down and please take exercise number 8 as homework for you. Okay. So next class we will see new lesson. Fine. So I'll show you the solutions now. Please take it down. So here's the solution for this exercise. Quand revient-il du Mexique? Nous revenons du Japon la semaine prochaine. So first one. Continue a un nouveau projet au Portugal. Il revient de Ruisse. L'instituteur est de Bordeaux de France. Mes parents pensent voyager à l'Indonésie. So this is a L apostrophe. Okay, it's not directly a Indonésie. It is a L apostrophe. Kindly note this here. Quand il rentre d'Australie, D apostrophe, on peut voir la chute de Niagara aux États-Unis et au Canada. So in this, I have to just clarify this one, Indonesia. So I'll just clarify it in case if there is any change. I'll tell you in the next class. Okay, so just as of now take it. So if there is any changes, I'll tell you. Okay. So that's it for today. We are completing lesson 7, and please do not forget to do your homework. That is lesson 7, exercise number 8. Okay. So this is your homework exercise, and that is one simple homework for you today. There is no other homework. So start writing your lesson fully. Lesson 7 should be completed by this week. Okay. Merci mes étudiants. Bonne journée. Let's meet with a new lesson in the upcoming class. Bonne journée.